Alright, we finished coding session 4 and we're ready to put in the scores here. So we have on the Reuters dataset, we have 79%. Yeah? On the IMDb, we have 85.8%. And then on the PIMA, we have 72%. Yeah? So K-nearest neighbors for PIMA is still on top, is still the leader. IMDb Logistic Regression does slightly better than naive Bayes. And multi-class, we have our first score, and that we will be able to compare this with other scores, especially when we deal with neural networks. Okay, so that ends lesson 7. Hope you had a good time. See you next time.